Okay, today we're gonna learn him some Bisaya sentences. Me and my mom. She is from Ormoc, and I'm her son. We're gonna teach him some Bisaya.
Okay.
Say, sakit ang imong lubot.
Sakit.
Ang
Angging
imong
lobo.
Lubot.
Lobot. Sakit. Angging mong lobot.
Okay, nice.
Baho.
Okay, say.
Baho kag ilok.
Say it.
Baho kagilog.
Baho.
Baho,
Baho
kagilok.
kagigilog.
Ilok.
Ilok.
Ah.
Humot ang imong utot.
Humot anggin otot.
Almost. Hapit na. Say.
Himot angging nom otot.
Okay, come on.
Ang imong mata murag tarser sa buhol.
Abo. Angging mon
Mata
mata
murag
murag.
tarser
Tarsir
sa buhol.
sa bohol.
Tama.